English now, it's very important for all of you. And it really required a lot of practice to understand this concept better. The concept is going to be Xpath now. And Xpath is one of the most famously asked interview questions. When someone tried to join my course, automation testing, some people even come to my office and they take up the course by talking with my sales team or customer support team, take example. So any person who's coming to my office directly and want to take my course, giving you an example. So there are various people who don't even know what is automation testing, who don't even know that, okay, in automation testing, Selenium, what is there? But there will be some people who might not know anything in automation testing, but they have heard the word called as Xpath because it's famous, right? And yes, interviewer will be asking you this question, right? So frankly speaking, it's not a concept that you guys can really understand in one go. It really required a lot of practice, right? So I'm starting a new concept today called as XPath. XPath is a new concept. Yes, XPath is also one of the locator that you have, with the help of which you will be able to locate the element and then later you will be able to perform action. Absolutely, yes. So XPath is another locator. You will be able to perform action on it, right? But why the name is XPath and what it is going to do? Guys, XPath is going to make me reach to the particular component using the various tag names that I have. Using the various tag names that I have, it will help me to reach to my given components, any component over the given application, right? So guys, I'm just giving you a simple example. Kindly pay attention. Suppose guys, in a family, suppose I'm giving you a non-technical example to help you understand the concept, okay? Suppose the eldest of the family is greatest parent and he gave birth to 4 kids. Pay attention. It's really very important for you to understand this. So suppose there is a greatest parent who has given birth to his 4 kids, kid 1, kid 2, kid 3, and kid 4. Okay. So now they became your grandfathers. I mean, let's say your grandfather is this, but others are grandfather's brothers. Okay. Suppose this grandfather, it's father, not girlfriend, guys. Now this grandfather have given, let's say, to 3 kids. Okay. So suppose your father is the eldest, and then you also have 2 more uncles, uncle 1 and uncle 2. This is your grandfather 1. This is your grandfather 2, your actual grandfather. This is your grandfather 3, and this is your grandfather 4. This is your greatest grandfather. Now, your father gave birth to 2 kids. Take example, guys. I'm trying to make you understand the concept of XPath. Pay attention. Your father gave birth to 2 kids, and those are, let's say one is your elder brother, your elder brother called as Ram. Take example. And the second is, let's say, you. Every one of you. Okay. Now, see, guys. Now the question comes, how someone can reach to you using XPath. Someone can reach to you using 2 ways in XPath. Okay. Someone can reach to you directly. Those who know you will reach to you directly. But what about those who don't know you? They will reach to you using paths. Path, P-A-T-H. They will first go to your greatest grandfather and ask your greatest grandfather that, hey, uh, I want to reach to that particular person. Can you guide me? So my greatest grandfather will give me a direction of my grandfather too. Grandfather will give me a direction of my father. Father will give the direction of you, right? This is one of the biggest reasons why XPath are of two types. And the two types of XPath are relative XPath and absolute XPath. The relative XPath and absolute XPath. I want you guys to write down the definition of absolute XPath, please. Definition of absolute XPath is traversing. Traversing. What is the English meaning of traversing? Can anyone tell me?
Navigating through.
Navigating. Absolutely. So guys, the definition of absolute XPath is traversing from parent tag name to the child tag name with the help of a single forward slash. I'm repeating it again. The definition of absolute XPath is traversing or navigating from parent tag name to the child tag name with the help of a single forward slash. This is called a single forward slash. Okay. Now, how someone can reach to you? Greatest grandfather, then grandfather to, then father, then you. Are you all understanding what I'm saying? Tell me frankly.
Manish, can you repeat the definition once again?
Definition of absolute XPath is traversing or navigating from parent tag name to the child tag name with the help of a single forward slash. In case someone wants to approach you, they will approach you from your greatest grandfather, then grandfather second, then your father, and then directly to you. This is the way we write a XPath for absolute, right? This is the way we write a XPath for absolute.
XPath is having some kind of syntax, or just you have to locate it?
Yeah, this is the syntax of your absolute XPath where you have to utilize the single forward slash. Using single forward slash, you will be able to locate your given component in which you have to perform an action. Actually, XPaths, I mean, the way we can write it is of various types. This is just a beginning. So guys, this is called as absolute XPath, where we will be traversing from parent tag name to the child tag name with the help of a single forward slash. Now, what is relative XPath? Let's understand. Please write down the definition of relative XPath, guys. Relative XPath, where we can navigate or traverse to any component directly with the help of a double forward slash. I'm repeating the definition once again. The definition of a relative XPath is traversing from the parent tag name to any of the child tag name directly with the help of the double forward slash. Guys, if you ever, I mean, I'm not sure when you go to your village or if you're staying already in your village, how people know you. I'm not sure. But in my village, people don't know me directly. Some people know me directly of my age, let's say, but some people don't know me directly. They know me from my family name. Guys, in my village, where I'm from, we have a house. And in that house, the name of the house is my greatest father's house. It's written his name. My greatest father's name is Ram Tiwari. Take example, right? So in the house, name is written as Ram Tiwari, right? So what I'm trying to say, whenever I visit to my native, some people know me that my name is Manish Kumar Tiwari and they know me very well. But some people don't know me. They know me that I'm the greatest son of Ram Tiwari, 4 generations before, right? And some people know me that I'm son of Jitendra Tiwari, who is my father, right? Some people know me that, oh, I'm the grandson of Gauri Tiwari. Gauri Tiwari is the name of my grandfather, right? So what I'm trying to say that there are 2 ways how people identify you in your native, right? Those who have come outside their native, people don't know them in 2 ways. Either they know them directly that I know Manish Kumar Tiwari, or they know you from your family members, right? So these are the 2 ways how you write a XPath. In case someone wants to approach to you directly, they will directly use // and then your tag name, right? In case someone don't know you, they will come from your greatest parents tag name with a // // and // So what I'm trying to tell, so this is your absolute XPath. But suppose now someone needs to approach to Manish or this person, you, right? They want to approach to you directly. They know you. So they can reach to you directly with the help of a // These are the 2 ways of writing XPath in Selenium. One is // one is // // when I want to traverse from my greatest parent to you individually, one by one, one by one, one by one. // is to reach to the given component directly, right? Directly, without any kind of without utilizing any of the earlier tag names that I had. Okay. Now, guys, I hope you can see in this particular diagram that I have drawn, how many generation you guys are able to see? Tell me frankly. In this diagram, how many generation you are able to see?
4.
4 generation. First generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation. Exactly, XPath follow the same. Really, not joking, guys. Really. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell from today, if you see anything, today in HTML, which is present in the same line means exactly same line. That means they are from generation first. Okay. Now, inside body, let's say your second generation is starting from here, INPUT and INPUT. And suppose here you have spam. Tell me frankly, now how many generation you are able to see? This is your first generation, this is your second generation, and this is your third generation. Okay. Let us do one program, you will better understand. Okay. Guys, I have given you one JSON application, right? JSON application. So let's do there. Watch out here, everyone. No issues. I'm teaching you today absolute XPath, absolute // So please focus, everyone. You will understand now practically. So pay attention. See, guys, I want to type something on this username text field. I want to type something on this username text field. Before I type something on this username text field, I need to inspect it. So I'm doing right click here and inspecting it. You guys need to help me to understand what is the tag name of this username. Can you guys help me?
Input.
Input. Tell me, who is the parent tag name of input tag name?
Body.
Body.
Head.
Body.
What's a body? Okay.
Body. See, head and body are two siblings. Siblings. Are you guys getting the meaning of siblings? They both are brothers. Take example, right? So, who is the parent of this input? Body. And tell me, who is the parent of body?
HTML.
HTML, right? So guys, pay attention, please. How you need to write a XPath now? You need to do Control F here. And after doing Control F here, you need to come from your grandparent. Who is the greatest parent here? HTML. You guys only said me just now. Greatest parent here is HTML. Now see, your input, your component which is username is present under which child? Is present under head child or body child? Help me, guys.
Body
Body.
Body child. So from HTML, you need to come to body. Inside body, see, it has so many kids, right? I hope you guys are able to see. It has so many kids now. Script, BR, input, and probably so many, right? So I'm going to now write INPUT. Oh, sorry. I need to write single / INPUT. I'm done. I have written. Now you tell me, body have body have input kid. But what is the count of kids that body have? Can you see there? How many kids he have?
7.
7. Hope you all are able to see this number 7. Are you guys able to see? Just asking.
Yes.
7. Guys, it's possible, right? For anyone to have 7 kids. Take example, right? So guys, in that case, we make use of indexing. Okay, for that case, we make use of indexing. When I say indexing, I didn't mean that the same indexing that we learned in our string concept or array concept or collection concept. I'm not talking about that indexing, which always used to start from 0. How do you refer the first kid as first? How do you refer the second kid? Second, right? So what you guys have to do, you guys have to put the entire XPath under parenthesis, and you have to write here bracket 1. That's your first kid. That's your first kid, right? And can you see now username text field is got selected? Are you able to see that? Able to see?
Yes. Yes.
I can now see that username got selected. I want to know who is the second kid of my body. Can you guys see? Who is that? Tell me.
Hint.
Who is the third kid? Password.
Password.
Fourth kid?
Your first radio button.
That male radio button.
Yeah.
Fifth? That female radio button. Sixth? Are you ready to relocate to Bangalore checkbox? Seventh? That sign up button.
Sign up.
But your job is to perform an action on username text field. So you got the XPath. Okay. I'm showing everything again to all of you. Please focus. I'm closing everything and showing you again. Pay attention. Guys, this time I want to perform an action on this password text field. So what I will do? I will do inspect. I want to perform an action on the password text field. So I have inspected. I have understood one thing here, that the tag name is input. Now let me check who is the parent tag name of this input. The parent tag name of this input is? Tell me.
Body.
Body. So what I'm going to do now, starting from HTML, greatest parent, and then body, and then INPUT. You can see now total inputs are 7. What you should do? Should you keep checking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? No, there is no need of doing that. My suggestion to all of you is keep pressing enter button 7 times to check that what are those components which has the tag name called as input. Watch out. I'm pressing my enter button. Tell me which component got selected?
Hint.
name.
And hint has what indexing?
2.
Check bottom.
Two.
It's
2.
available at the bottom.
2.
I'm pressing enter button once again. Tell me which component got selected?
Password.
Password. Tell me the indexing of it.
3.
3. I understood now. My
Password.
indexing is going to be 3. See, guys, I may be teaching you this XPath in one of the hardest ways possible today. Right? Yes, this is the hardest ways to understand the concept of XPath. whatever I'm teaching today to help you understand that how you can answer it in the real interview. Believe me, in real industry, we don't follow this XPath. We follow relative XPath. Then why we are wasting time here? We are not actually wasting time. Interviewers will ask you such type of question that, hey, can you help me locating password with the help of the absolute XPath? So you must know the idea, how relation is present, right? But it's very rare question that someone can definitely ask you, right? It's a very rare thing, right? But you must know about the HTML structure. You must know about what is siblings in HTML structure. What is parent tag name? Who is the child tag name? And how you can reach to the child tag name and so on, right? So I got the XPath now. So guys, this is just a beginning of your XPath. More about it, I will talk about it in the next class. But yeah, whatever I have done today is just to help you understand the concept of XPath in the hardest ways possible. Believe me, in your upcoming concept, I'm going to give you a syntax. A syntax, I'm going to provide it to you. Using that syntax, you will be able to write XPath of any component which is available in this world or of any web-based application, right? And it's a very easy syntax. So today I might be teaching you in the hardest ways possible, but in the upcoming days, we will be learning it in the easiest way possible too, right? So please write down now how to work with relative XPath. Pay attention. So guys, relative XPath, we didn't see till today, right? We have seen only absolute. Am I right, guys?
Yes, Manish. Yes.
Okay. See, guys, I hope you all remember that in the last class, we have studied how to write the absolute XPath. I hope all of you remember how to write absolute XPath. In order to write an absolute XPath, you need to traverse from parent tag name to the child tag name with the help of the single forward slash. That's what we have studied in the last class. That was about absolute XPath. Yes, guys, absolute XPath is one of the XPath that we have in Selenium, which will not be utilized much in your job when you will be working in the IT industry, right? The one that is followed most is called as relative XPath. I hope I have given you the definition of relative XPaths too. The relative XPath means, have I given the definition, guys? Just
Yes, Manish.
okay. Just anyone can repeat it, please, for me. Anyone?
Navigate or traverse from a parent tag name to any of the child tag name directly with the help of double forward slash.
Okay, that's good. So guys, I hope you all remember this definition where I said that in the help of a relative XPath, someone can traverse directly to the tag name with the help of the double forward slash, right? So if someone wants to approach you, they can directly do double forward slash and the tag name called as, let's say, Manish, right? So that's a major difference between relative XPath and absolute XPath. Let me open the photo that I drawing the last class. Let me just open that. Just 1 minute. Eight, nine, 10, 11. That's 20. Oh, I have not taken screenshot. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell that in case of a relative XPath, we can directly go and write the XPath for any of the component which is available, right? So let me do it for our JSON application. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Relax. So guys, in the last class, we have studied how to write a XPath for this username, hint, password, and so on. Today, we will study how to write a XPath of them using a relative XPath. So all you have to do is inspect it. And once after inspecting it, you study the tag name of it. Guys, tell me what is the tag name that is associated with this username?
Input.
Input. All you have to do is Control F /INPUT. Once you do that, you can see you have written the XPath of the username text field. But if you do that, it will give you the total input that you have on this particular application. How many input I have in this application? Tell me.
14.
14.
14. Let me tell you, each 14 are one components in this application called JSON, right? So you can see the next input is hint, the next input is password, the next input is your first name, the next input is your last name, the next input is your submit button, the next input is your I have a boy checkbox, the next input is a I have a girl checkbox, the next input is your I have a baby checkbox, the next input is submit button, the next input is that male radio button, the next input is female radio button, the next input is are you ready to relocate to Bangalore checkbox, the next input is sign up. But you are planning to write XPath for username. So here you have to play with indexing. I hope you remember how to play with indexing. We have also done in the last class. First, always remember after writing XPath, you are pressing enter. When you're pressing enter, it selects the component. You can see whenever I'm pressing enter, it is selecting my username. That means it is absolutely correct, right? As long as you're trying to perform an action on the single element, you need to make sure that this is always coming 1 of 1. In case of a find element, it should always come 1 of 1, right? Guys, working with relative XPath is easy compared to working on absolute XPath. Because I hope you guys remember, in case of an absolute XPath, you need to come from the greatest parent, grandparent, parent, child, indexing, right? But when you work with relative XPath, right, you can go to the particular component directly. Let me give you a few more examples. Pay attention. Dipali, can you create one more? Can you create one more tab, please? I'm not able to click on that. Here only, here only. One more tab.
For me also it's hidden behind this meeting is recorded.
Screen is stopped now. Try now and share. Are you here, Dipali? Dipali, are you here? Oh, Dipali left. Okay. Okay. Watch out, guys. I'll show in my laptop. I think by mistake I clicked on her Zoom closing meeting. I think I did it or what? I'm not sure. I think I did it by mistake. Okay. I will allow her to join. No issues. Focus, everyone. By the way, today I have made everyone join till 8:30. So I hope there is no complaints. But tomorrow people will start complaining when I will not allow them to join. Okay. So guys, focus here. Suppose if I have to write an XPath for this Gmail. If I have to write a XPath for this Gmail, how to do that? Right click, inspect. Right click, inspect. Tell me, guys, what is that tag name which is associated with this Gmail? Tell me.
A.
A.
A. So what you have to do? Control F /A. How many links I have on this page?
30.
The links that I have on this page is 30. This is one of the easiest way to identify the number of links that you have on any website, right? Focus. How many links I have on this Amazon.India?
140.
144.
144. Right. Let's come back to this Google application. You can see the number of links that I have on this Google application is 30, and I need to write a XPath for this Gmail. Guys, if you have so many links here, is it a good idea to always go with indexing like this and keep pressing until your Gmail comes? Is it a good idea? No, it's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. Okay. Focus. Tell me which number is for Gmail. Tell me. You guys will notice?
1.
Notice now.
1.
1.
Look at your Gmail app, Gmail on top. Can you see? It got selected. Look at the count. 1.
1.
Guys, it was your luck that it was on first. What if it was on 29? Will you keep pressing 29 times? Not a good idea. Not a good idea. Okay. By the way, whatever the XPath that I have written, oh, it is also matching with another. Which is that? Okay, no issues. So whatever the XPath that you have written is fine, guys. But let me tell you, over a period of time, whatever the type of XPath that I am asking you to write might not help you, right? Whatever the way of XPath I have said you to do it using the help of a relative XPath is good for understanding purpose, but it's not much preferable, right? I'll give you one final example to make you guys understand. Focus. I want to write a XPath for this search text field. Inspect. Tell me, what is the tag name associated with the search text field?
Input.
/input. How many input I have? 10.
10.
Let's study for my search text field. Which indexing? Tell me which indexing?
5.
5.
5th. So it will work. But I'm telling whatever the XPath that we are studying will not help us for a longer run. This way of XPath will work probably for 10% of your components over the application, or let's say for 5% of your application components. But this is not the preferable way of writing the XPath, right? But just because we have not done any problem on this way of writing XPath, we will do one problem on this particular way of writing XPath. So what I want you guys to do, let us launch Amazon.India and type here shoe using relative XPath. Let's do it. Someone want to share screen?
So repeat the assignment question.
Okay. We have to search for shoe on Amazon.India. Let me do it, relax. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the 3 lines of code, which will help me to launch my URL. And I'm going to give the name of this class called as relative XPath. Once after creating this class, I'm going to add here main method and those 3 classes. Once after adding here, I'm going to copy this Amazon URL and replace it with the other application URL. To confirm whether it will really work or not, you can run it once and check whether it is really running or not. So you guys can see it is running. Since it is running, then let's close this directly because this is not our scenario. Once Amazon.in has maximized, my next job is to inspect my search text field. And I have inspected and got to know that the tag name is input. Tag name is input. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do Control F /INPUT. And after doing that, I'm going to play with my indexing because I can see the total input which is coming here is 11. So I'm going to keep pressing it until my search text field is getting selected. So now I can see it got selected. And now I can also see here in this, the tag name is, the indexing is 6th. So I'm going to write here 6th. So what I'm going to do, I have to first find it out using driver.findElement. And after that, I have to locate it using Xpath. And this is my Xpath. What is the return type of find element, guys?
Web
Web
element.
element.
Web element. So I'm going to paste here web element with a reference variable. Reference variable here can be your search underscore text field equals to. Once after doing it, you have to import your web element interface. Once after importing it, you have to take your search text field and perform action. What function? Send keys. Send keys means it will allow you to type here something. Let's say it is allowing me to type shoe. That's what I wanted. Now I'm going to run this. So you can see it launched my application, but it failed to perform any action. Why it failed? Let us find out. So if I take you to my, if I take you here, you can see I got no exception. So, and here also it did not perform anything. Okay. So let us run again and check what happened. Okay, it's working, no issues. I don't know what happened last time, but that's okay. If it would have given some exception, then we would have figured it out, right? No issues, no issues. So now you can see it is working absolutely fine. Guys, I just want to tell you the way of writing the Xpath that we are learning today is for your understanding purpose, is for you to help you get started with this concept. In your upcoming topic, you will not be writing the Xpath in this fashion. So don't worry, okay? But yeah, just remember this. Now, guys, let me show you that what if I have to write a XPath for this mobiles? Oh, before I do that, I want to give you one assignment. Guys, please write down this assignment, and tomorrow I will start the class with this assignment only. You guys have to share your screen and run this in front of me. And only after running this, I'll proceed to the next class. The assignment is in this Amazon India registration page. In this Amazon India registration page, I want you to perform action on each component, which are text field and button. Except this radio, but except this drop down, I want you to perform action on each component like first name, last name, mobile number, password, and this view mobile number. I want you to guys do this using relative Xpath. That means using /. Will you be able to do this, guys? I will just help you one, focus. If you want to perform an action on password, you have to first inspect it. Tell me, what is the tag name of password?
Input.
Input.
Tell me, what I have to do now? Tell me, help me.
Check the
Control
Control F.
Control F.
double
Double
forward
slash.
slash
double / input.
Input.
How many inputs are there?
11.
11. What I have to do now?
Search.
Submit. Keep pressing enter button until I'm reaching password. Start. I got it. Which component? Eighth.
8.
Eighth is password. Eighth is password. First name is sixth. Mobile number is seventh. Eighth is password. And view mobile number is ninth. Will you be able to do this, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Do not neglect this particular assignment, because this was your last class where you have written the XPath in that fashion. What happens over a period of time, students to completely forget the way of writing the XPath using this fashion, because of the next topic, which will help you to understand the XPath in a more referable or easy pattern. Right? Do not forget to write XPath in that fashion, this fashion. This will help you to perform better in the real interview. If you really want to understand the concept of XPath, which is called as a relative, don't leave this concept and please do it. Now focus, guys. Now I'm giving you one better way of writing the XPath. Whatever the way of writing the XPath that I'm giving you today is called as the syntax of XPath, that will help you to write a XPath for any component, no matter which component, right? So please write down the syntax of writing the XPath. The syntax is / tag name @ attribute name equals to attribute value. Make sure that / you guys are writing. Make sure that you guys are writing this single quotes. Don't forget that. This is the syntax of your XPath, and you have to write XPath in this fashion from today onwards. That means tell me, how can I write the XPath for this particular component? Can anyone guide me?
Double slash.
/
Name is input. Tag name is
Input.
input
Attribute name is age.
Square
At the
at the
rate
rate of
of
attribute name.
attribute
Which
name.
attribute name you are feeling to consider? Age, gender, or size?
Age.
Age.
Okay, either
Okay,
age or
age.
gender you can consider. I'm considering here gender. Gender is equals to
Female.
Attribute value is female.
female. Consider that this XPath is for a radio button which says a female. Are you guys getting my point? You guys are getting? Okay. So guys, this is the way we can write a XPath. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the same thing on a different application which we have in the market. You guys will understand better. Pay attention. Watch out. Suppose, guys, I want to write a XPath for your. Shall I take? Let me take your Google. I will write 10 XPaths today. Focus. I want to write a XPath for this Google search text field. Right click, inspect. Once after right click and inspect, let us write the XPath using this, whose tag name is text area. Can you guys please help me to understand that which attribute name and value shall I select?
Class.
See guys, why class you should avoid using if you have other options like name
Name.
is because multiple components can have the same class name. I'm repeating it again. Multiple components can have the same class name. So avoid using class name when you have the other options available. So can you select ID? Yes. Can you select name? Yes. Now you might be thinking that Manish, I have ID and name already, then why are you writing Xpath? Yes, good question. You can write, you can continue performing on this component using ID also, using name also. But what if you were not having it, then I would have gone for class. Okay. But today I'm just teaching you the concept of XPath. That's why what I will be doing, I will be taking your name attribute, name, and Q attribute value. Please focus how to write XPath for this. Control F, // text area at the rate of name equals to Q. I got how many components here? 1 out of 1, right? Now, let's take example of your Amazon India. In this Amazon India, let's say I want to perform an action on this search text field. If I want to perform an action on this search text field, so I got the HTML code. Tell me, which attribute name and value shall I take?
ID.
ID.
ID also I can take it. Yeah. Class also I can take it. I'm just letting you know, right? Okay. So let's do it with ID. So how to write it? Control F, // input at the rate of, what was that? Name.
ID.
ID.
ID. Okay.
ID.
ID. Okay. So at the rate of ID is equals to the value. I got 1 out of 1. Let me take you to another application called, you guys can check this on any application. It will work for all. Now I'm going to my Amazon.in register login page. This email ID text field also I'm going to write it with the help of a XPath. How to do that? Can you guys help me? Can I do it with
Double.
name also and ID also?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I also do with type equals to email? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
I can do that. Okay. Let me show you by type email. Okay. Watch out. // input at the rate of type equals to, what was that? Class type equals to email.
Email.
Email. Spelling might be wrong. Let's check it out.
All E.
Oh, all smaller. See, here all smaller, here have written. That's why I'm getting 0 out of 0. E. I got 1 out of 1. You can do it. Are you guys getting idea how to write XPath now? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. I'll show you one more. Any application. Tell me.
Is it preferable to use one of the locators rather than other attribute values?
Yeah. It's always preferable to use the locators inside the XPath in case it is available.
Thank you.
Because that will always give you most probably unique, but does not give you guarantee that it will always give you a unique. You may have to play with indexing too. That we'll see. Now, guys, you can see this username text field. I'm doing inspect, and after doing inspect, you can see here I'm getting tag name, I'm getting name, I'm getting ID, right? I hope you guys got an idea how to write XPath for this too. Take example of this create new account, first name. Tell me, how shall I write it? Tell me.
//
Mhm.
input bracket @name is equal to
Equals to name is where
Email.
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 No, first
Name is first name.
Yes.
Oh. Helpful?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us perform action. Watch out. So Ritu, just take me to. I have sent you the XPath, so no need to write again. That's fine. You can directly launch your Eclipse. Yeah. Ritu, just copy 3 lines of code 11, 12, and 13, or even 14. Just copy it and create a new class. Paste it here. Change your application name to Google. It's better you delete the line number 12 and write it again. No issues. This much of effort is not required. Just comment it and move further. Driver dot get under double quotes https:// no https, remove that single / in front, https yeah, this is fine. And I have pasted the XPath to you. Just replace it on the line number 15.
So repeat it.
I have pasted the XPath to you in the chat. You can do it again also, no issues. Give me the access. So you need the guest mode. So our scenario was launch Google and type something here. See guys, never do this mistake of having here .co.in and performing an action on google.com. Don't think that all the Google will have the same HTML structure. No, some of them can have different also. So please observe this when you guys do automation testing. Now, driver dot find element by XPath. What is the XPath? Let's write it once again. Inspect it. Text area at the rate of name equals to Q. I got 1 out of 1. Copy it. Paste it. Now I know what is return type of find element, which is web element. Give a reference variable like search underscore text field equals to. With the help of the search text field, you perform an action on this like send keys. Whatever you want to search, you can search now. Let's say you want to search for India. After searching India, you want to press enter button. So search text field dot send keys. How to press enter button? Can you guys help me, please?
Keys dot
Keys
enter.
dot
Keys
enter.
enter.
Keys dot
Enter.
and I hope you guys got the idea now how to write a XPath. Is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Please focus, everyone. I'm taking you to a website now. Called as Amazon.India. In this Amazon India, I'm going to search some product. I'm searching here shoe. After searching for shoe, I got multiple shoes here. Now the question comes, how to write the XPath of these components. This question is importantly asked interview question. After launching your Amazon India, search for shoe. And out of a lot of shoes present, click on the first shoe, second shoe, third shoe, fourth shoe, fifth shoe, and so on, right? So try to answer my question. Can I consider all of the components will have the same class name? Think and
Yes.
answer. Not getting, guys?
No.
See,
Yes.
guys.
Can have.
See, guys, understand one thing. Can you see that today, all of you as a student have some similarity in this Zoom application? And what is the similarity? That all of you are present in one small rectangular box. And how I am different from you in this class? I am present in the bigger box. That's why when you watch the recorded video, only my face will be visible to you 90% of the time. Big. And when I show all of your faces, you can see all your faces will be present under small rectangular boxes. What I'm trying to say, when you see over an application, things are multiple components have something similarity in them. That means they will have the common class name. I have said this before also to you, that multiple components will have the same class name, but not if they are very different things, when there are similar things in a similar way. Today I have searched for a shoe and I got multiple shoes. All the shoes have something common in them. All are shoe only. Some of Puma, some of Adidas, some of different brands, right? So that's why I'm considering that, or I'm keeping in mind that probably all the shoes will have a common class name. I'm not sure. Let us find out. If it is not there also, then there will be some way by which I can write the XPath of all those shoes, right? Watch out. Guys, write down the scenario. This will help you to understand the program. My assignment is, let's launch Amazon India. After launching Amazon India, let's search for shoe. And after searching for shoe, let's click on the first shoe. Guys, please help me in one answering one question. Do you think that on Amazon, the first product will always be of Adidas? Do you think so?
No. No, sir.
Do you think that if you search today on Google called as Narendra Modi, do you think that whatever link on top is coming today will even come tomorrow? Tell me.
No, Manish.
No, Manish.
No.
What comes on internet totally depends on what? Tell me.
SEO. Search engine
SEO.
optimization.
Search engine optimization. What comes today will not come tomorrow. In a similar way, guys, whenever you write a XPath of shoes, when you have 1,000 of shoes or 60 of shoes to you, always remember not to write XPath on the basis of their brand names. That is absolutely foolish. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you. See, you have to understand your scenario. Read the scenario that I have given. I have given launch Amazon India and type shoe and click on the first shoe. Am I telling you which shoe? No. My scenario is very generic. And I don't mean any branded shoe. I mean any shoe which is on top. If I want to search for Puma shoe, then I will search for Puma shoe. That's a different scenario. We'll do that also, don't worry. Okay. So guys, how to write an XPath for this particular scenario? Please focus. Guys, I'm repeating it for the last time today. The reason I'm telling last time, because this is very silly thing to keep in your mind. That's why I cannot keep on repeating it. Please fix this to your mind today, that you should never write an XPath using brand names. Never do that. Okay, watch out. So guys, I have launched my Amazon India and I'm going to type my shoe. And after typing shoe, I got multiple shoes. I'm going to do the right click on the first shoe. Once after doing the right click on the first shoe, I'm going to inspect it. Once after inspecting it, I have to see how the HTML code is. So let us keep looking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Tell me, what is the tag name of this shoe? Tell me. Tell me, what is the tag name of this shoe?
Image.
Look at my screen, guys. What is the tag name of this
A.
shoe? A. Why A? Because it is
Has a link.
it has a link, right? So what you do inspect. You're getting image because it has image also. Okay. So somewhere you have to apply your logical thinking too. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell, you have to inspect it again. And though it is showing you IMG, but you know that you know it's a link, right? Because it is changing your cursor like this. So that means the real tag name is not IMG, but this A. You can see the moment I have selected that, my shoe got selected. Guys, in this particular first shoe, there is a class present called as a link normal as no outline, whatever. All right. And this is my href. So this is for my first shoe. A link normal as no outline. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do the right click on my second shoe. On my second shoe also, my class name is same. Okay. You guys notice that? On my second shoe also, my class name is same. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write a XPath using a class name. How to do that? A at the rate of class equals to class name. Tell me how many shoes I have here?
65.
65.
65.
First, second is for second shoe, third is for third shoe, fourth is for fourth shoe, and seventh is for seventh shoe, and 35th is for 35th shoe. But you want to select which shoe as per the problem?
First shoe.
First
One.
You know how to deal with first, second, third, fourth, right? The same concept that you have learned before. So you have to just write here one. One means first shoe. Second means second shoe. So what's wrong? Okay. So you have to write here one. Just because you've written one, you can see first shoe is getting selected. Guys, understanding how to deal with it? Getting idea? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, Manish.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
It's fine.
Okay. Yeah, whose screen? Oh, it was my screen. Oh, okay. So, yeah, anyone can share screen? Anyone? Make it fast. I'm giving the XPath. Let's do it. Shubham, just launch your Amazon India in your Eclipse, maximize it, and let's do it. So you have done it till here. Okay, for searching, you have done 6th. Okay, typing shoe. Run this, show me if it is really working. We'll run it again. So launched Amazon India and type shoe, but seems like not working. Check the code. Try running it again.
Sir, I did some time back, it worked, but now I'm not sure.
Okay, no issues. No issues. Just 1 minute.
I'll just mute myself. Like, is it?
Yeah. Guys, these all issues that we are facing today, we can minimize all this problem with the help of the synchronization topic in Selenium, okay? Which is my very next topic. You can see sometimes things are working, sometimes not working. These all are called as synchronization problem, which we will resolve it probably in the next 10 to 15 classes, okay? So now you can see I have typed my issue, but after typing my issue, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a dot send keys, and here keys dot enter. Guys, I'm not sure if I should tell you this now or not, but I'm just letting you guys know. If typing shoe is not working for you, even after trying for 10 times, then please let me know. I can teach you that topic tomorrow itself. Okay, I'm repeating again, guys. Suppose after typing shoe, if you can see your application is not responding at all to you, sometime working, sometime not working. If it is really making a lot of problem to you, please let me know. I can teach the synchronization topic to you tomorrow itself. Okay, so I'm going to run this now. And after running this, you can see it is typing my shoe. But after typing shoe, the job is to click on the first shoe. To click on the first shoe, what I have to do, I will again type shoe here, press enter button. And after that, I'll do the right click on my first shoe and inspect it. And after that, I will try to write a Xpath using a class name. So Control F // a @ class equals to value. I got 65 shoes. In that sense, my job is, since my scenario, see guys, we have to do as per the scenario. Whatever scenario is telling, just do it, right? So copy this. And now here, what do you have to do next? Can anyone guide me what I have to do next? Any one of you?
Click,
Find element.
click
Web
dot.
element,
A dot
web
web.
B equal to
D.
web element.
Web element.
Okay. Guys, always
Movement.
try to do your right hand side first and then write your left hand side later. Okay. What I'm trying to
Drive.
say, first
Driver
complete
dot
statement. Driver dot
Find
find
element.
element by
Not Xpath.
Xpath. Whatever is the Xpath, paste it. After writing your right hand side, then you focus on the left hand side. Otherwise, your upcoming topic will become very difficult for you. Shoe 1 equals to. On shoe 1, what you want to do? Tell me.
Click,
Click.
click, click.
You want to do click. Let's see whether it really works or not. This issue, I'm going to resolve it probably today or tomorrow. So don't worry. Not 100% I can remove that problem captcha, but some percentage I can definitely remove.
If we run it once or twice, I mean, it skips that one. Is it so, Manish? Because you have given one assignment, right? So to.
That's right. But for some of them, it's not going at all.
Yeah, for me, it's not going. I tried clicking the link as well.
Yeah. So guys, is our scenario passed now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. See guys, whether scenario is pass or fail, as a human, you are not the right person to tell us that. This all should come from assertion concept. I hope you guys remember there is a keyword called as assert in Java. In a similar way, there is an assert concept in our Selenium concept too. So we cannot say pass. No. No one will believe you. Selenium has the capability in you which can give you the report. called as hundreds were run, 72 were pass, and 28 are fail. And there is a pass percentage of 72%, right? So this is what we can do with the help of the test ng concept, which is in the future concept, right? You guys are getting the idea now how to write Xpath?
Yes, Manish.
Focus, please. Look at this beautiful application called as Naukri.com, and I want to click on this Google. Focus, focus, focus. I want to click on this Google, inspect it. Once after inspecting, you can see. Tell me, what is the tag name which is making that Google link? Tell me. What's the tag name?
Spam.
Spam. Let's write Xpath. // span at the rate of. Can you guys guide me, please? Shall I do with class?
Yes.
Yes.
At the rate of, okay, at the rate of class equals to value. It's working fine for us, right? It's working fine because it was my good luck, or it was our good luck. Every time you will not get such attribute name and attribute value, which you can utilize it directly. Guys, today I'm teaching you how to write a XPath for texts. I hope you guys remember I have said you before that everything which is in black color is text. Guys, I want you to write down a concept, how to write a XPath for text messages in HTML code, right? Focus. In order to write a XPath using this text message called as Google, what I have to do? // span dot equals to the value Google. Okay. Note down this way of writing XPath. You can see I got 1 out of 1 selection. I got 1 out of 1 selection. I'm repeating it again. The way of writing XPath for text messages, // tag name dot equals to text message. Are you all getting it?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Wonderful. So
Why aren't we using A?
why are we using
Why aren't we using A? Tag name is
A?
A. Yeah.
Okay, I think that is hidden under a iframe, and iframe is a big concept that we'll be doing in the upcoming chapter.
Okay. Okay.
Let me just check if iframe is really present here. Yeah, iframe is present, right? So iframe is one of the not very easy concept in Selenium. So we'll do it in the upcoming chapter.
Okay.
Okay, fine, guys. I'm stopping here. From this concept only, I will start tomorrow. I'm ready if you have any kind of questions. If you have, ask me. Yeah, Raja.
I have an understanding. Please correct me if it is wrong. Let's say Amazon. In most of the searches, we get the sponsored results at 4 or 5 spots. If a tester in automation tester in Amazon has to test whether the sponsored function is working in the website, they'll write the same code as we write in the for loop. Is that how it works? Is that how they work? So that every time, yeah, go on.
I mean, you're asking how I can test as an automation tester whether sponsored products are coming or not.
Yeah, Manish. Sponsored products are generating for each generation. As you said in the previous class, we can take screenshot also. Do they work in this way?
I don't think so, but suppose if I have to, I can definitely work on it. How to work with this? For this, I need to first understand the behavior of my application. Are the position fixed for my sponsored product? See. What is the problem here is I can automate it only if I have the understanding how it works manually. So as a tester, what I will try to understand first, whether if whatever I'm searching shoe, are the position of my shoes constant? Are they going to be in this positions only? If yes, then I can confirm whether in that particular component I have the products available or not. But let's say I want to confirm whether sponsored is written coming or not. Then I can do that also. Whether sponsored written is coming or not using get text method. That we'll see in the upcoming chapter. So you can confirm whether get text using that sponsored word is coming or not. That is one of the best way to identify whether product sponsored is coming or not. So there are two ways to do it.
Manish, can I ask one more question regarding this? Let's
Go
say
ahead, go ahead.
you have a product from Protect Minds and you are promoting it through Amazon. So to check whether Amazon is really sponsoring your product, can you run a Selenium? Can you run a Java code from your side, from Growtech Minds side, and check whether if the Growtech Minds is sponsored, then you'll make sure that it's printing, it's taking screenshot with the time that it is displayed when someone searches for the similar product.
We can do that.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyone have any question can ask me?
So I have like, can we like, since if we launch any web page, we'll be getting ads. So we'll be getting, can we have control over that ads? Like, can we close that ads and all?
I mean, is it coming in other tabs?
No, in the same tab, like same tab. Like suppose if I enter Amazon.in, like just an example, now we won't get any advertisement. So suppose any XYZ website, if you launch that, so before opening it, we'll get an ad pop-up. So can we have control over it and close that pop-up and then go back?
That's what I'm asking. Suppose this is my application. So pop-up is coming on top.
Yes.
Yes, then we can do it.
And we can also scroll the, like now we had like around 65 shoes. So we can scroll to the bottom, like around 30.
You can scroll down also using JavaScript executor. Very far top. Will be done after 70 classes. Anyone, any question? Yes, Subhatra?
Manish, you gave us one HTML, right? In that there was one button called click me. Once after clicking me button, there was one pop-up message that showed. After clicking OK only, I can try clicking on that submit. So I'm not able to do it.
Yeah, I will teach tomorrow how to handle JavaScript executor. Yeah, I'll teach tomorrow then how to deal with JavaScript executor. It's a very simple topic. Guys, I'm not sure if you guys have seen this application. For your practice purpose, we have developed it. Have you guys seen this? Yes, no.
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 I think we tried Slide in our manual stuff. Otherwise, we have not done that.
No issues. So guys, this is developed for you guys. Play with it, right? Go to Xpath and take this module. You have questions here. Try it out, right? Check how to work with it. Such kind of questions can be asked to you in the interview. So to make you guys expert, you guys can try this kind of questions. Will you be able to?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. This registration page had, okay, this is working fine. It encountered a problem, but now it is working fine. So have you guys tried this particular application called as registration page? Just asking? No.
No.
Okay. You have to do this. Try to do this. You guys have learned now enough locators to perform an action on each component. I request everyone to not to work with the drop down. Drop down will be taught tomorrow.